Hello everybody, good morning, how are you? Welcome to today's video. Today I thought I'd update you on my current skincare, what I've been using, what I've been loving. It's been doing wonders for my skin and yeah, I just wanted to show you. So grab yourself a cup of coffee, a hot beverage, subscribe if you're new, like this video and stick around for a while. So first things first, cleansing. If I can put my coffee down. I always cleanse with a cleansing balm of some sort. And I've used quite a few. At the moment, I'm using this. This is the Rosa Centifolia #1 Purity Cleansing Balm. So I'm using this. I've got to say, I like it. It smells gorgeous and it works, but I don't like it as much as my Emma Hardy, which I'm going to repurchase. The thing about the Emma Hardy is it's enjoyable to use. It smells nice. You enjoy the experience. Like Clinique, take the balm off. Yeah, it takes your makeup off, does get in my eyes, but I don't get that kind of sensorial experience. And I just feel with the Emma Hardy that makeup just comes off just really easily. This you have to work a little bit harder with. So I'm going to finish this up like a good girl and then get the Emma Hardy. But that's what, you know, it does the job. Do you know what I mean? And I liked it. It takes all my eye makeup and everything like that. Then I will use, so, okay, that's the evening. I'm taking my makeup off. Then I will use a toner. I use the Paula's Choice Exfoliate 2% BHA liquid salicylic acid. Now I use this as a toner every night because I just like that feeling of, oh, hang on, no, sorry. Rewind. I use my cleansing balm, right, to take off my makeup. Then I go in with a second cleanse, which is usually a face wash, just to make sure I've got all that balm off. And I love the IS Clinical Cleansing Complex. I love this. It's amazing. It removes sunscreen, makeup, everything in one go, but it gently exfoliates as well, so your skin feels super smooth afterwards. Amazing. Absolutely can't recommend this enough. Love it. Then, this is the evening, I go in with the Paula's Choice in the evening. So, I like to use this as a toner just to sort of, you know, make sure I don't get any blemishes and stuff like that. If I've waxed my top lip, for example, got to just keep, something like this will really help. It took me ages to buy this. I've heard so much about it. And I was like, I ran out of my Epionce Purifying Toner. And I thought, well, I'll try this then. And I love it. It's amazing. You literally use it once and the next day you wake up with like glowing skin, like actually glowing skin. It's amazing. I always say this, but the hype is real. It's phenomenal. Love that. Then I go in with my nighttime regime, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Incredible. I used this years ago, back in the day, revisited it when I got a sample of it. And now, I don't think I could be without this. It is amazing. Paired with the glycolic, it does something to skin. You only need a blob of it, but it does something to skin. It just sorts your skin out. I love it. And I mean, I can't believe I've been without it for so long, but I bought it in the Black Friday and I got such a good deal on this bottle. So that's why I got it, but I love it. It's amazing, highly recommend. Use that every night. And then I use a moisturizer over the top because I've got oily skin and I don't use a lot of moisturizers in the day. So at night, I like to make sure I've got moisturizers, but they're all still for my skin type. This is the SkinCeuticals Daily Moisture Lightweight Pore Minimizing Moisturizer for normal or oily skin. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so lightweight. You don't feel like it's claggy. Don't think you can even see that. But it is super lightweight. It's comfortable on the skin. It works beautifully over the night serum. And I just love that skincare routine for night. And that is what I use every single night without fail. I then put a lip balm on. I use the Laneige Lip Sleeping Cream, which is phenomenal. Lip Sleeping Mask. I use that every night. Just slather it on my lips and you wake up with just lovely soft lips. So that's my nighttime routine. I don't use night cream at night. No. In the morning, I will then wash my face with my IS Clinical just to cleanse everything off, wash my face, clear, I will then go in with a vitamin C, and I'm currently using the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8%, Alpha Arbutin 2%, a water-free soluble solution. So it's this one here. And I use 2 drops of this after I've washed my face. Now, I can't say this is my favourite. It's got that feeling of dry but oily. I think because it's water soluble, I mean water free. It says a water free stable solution, so it's got that really weird feeling to it, you know. But I needed a vitamin C and I didn't want to spend too much, so I'm just going to use this up. Once I've finished it, I think I'll go back onto the SkinCeuticals CF Ferulic because that was amazing. I just don't like the feeling, the texture of this. It just feels weird, but I'm using it. Do you know what I mean? Because I've got to use vitamin C. So I put 2 drops of this, pat that on all over my face. And then I go in with the Hada Labo Lotion #1 Hydrator, Super Hyaluronic. This is my moisturizer, basically. I don't use a separate moisturizer. This for me does it. I do 1 pump of this in my hand and I just pat it over the vitamin C like that. I let that dry. I'll pop on an eye cream. Love the CeraVe eye cream. Love this. It just smooths out under eyes perfectly. Once that's all set and dried, I go in with my SPF, tried and true Heliocare Advance Gel SPF 50. And that will be my morning skincare, done and dusted, perfection. And then I go ahead and put my makeup on. And if you like this makeup, then just watch my previous video, you'll see this makeup look. And that's it, that's my skincare. It's basic, it's simple, but it works. And I don't, when I find something that works, I try not to deviate from it. So, you know, keep it simple, keep it basic, hydrate the skin, get your hyaluronic acids, SPF, very important, vitamin C, removing your makeup, like, there you go. I shall list everything below so you can find it nice and easily or read up more information about it. Let me know what you like to use and any suggestions, any video suggestions. A lot of you have given me video suggestions, which is amazing. Thank you. So I've got so many ideas. I'll have a hair care one coming up. I'll have a new beauty bits one coming up. Coffee chats. Yeah, the lot. So there we go. Oh, I got my hair done. In other news, I got my hair done. I'd done very well because you know I go mad in January and cut it short and hate it. Didn't cut it this time, but I got a sort of blondie balayage and I like it. I really like it. So hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it and chat to you soon. Bye.